Hello everyone, my name is Anya and today I would like to show you how to make those crochet earrings. This project is very easy and it should not take you more than 10 minutes to finish. It could be used as a last minute gift for a friend. I hope you will enjoy this tutorial and thank you for watching. To make the earrings I am using cotton 4-ply yarn. I have Wendy Supreme yarn. We will need crochet hook. I am using 2mm crochet hook as I want my work to be quite tight. We will need 2 beads and I am using 8mm wooden beads. It's only because they have quite a large hole, which means that I do not have to thread a needle. You will need hooks. If you have hooks and want to attach a loop, you might need pliers. And I am using 1.6mm hook, just a smaller size hook, does not need to be 1.6, just to weave in the ends. I will start by inserting my hook into the bead and pulling my yarn through. I will now pull through my yarn through the loop on the hook, trying not to make it too tight, but on the other hand tight enough so when I'm going to work into this space here around the bead, I can actually insert my hook into this space. I will now work chain 1, so yarn over and pull through the loop just to secure my yarn. And into the space here around the bead, I am going to work 11 single crochet. So insert your hook into this space. Try to make sure that you have 2 strands of yarn and insert your hook under both strands of yarn, because otherwise your work will not look tidy. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. First single crochet made, and again insert your hook into this space, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Second single crochet made, so I need all together 11 single crochet, so I have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. And I will now work chain 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and just make sure that your chain 11 is not twisted, and slip stitch to the first single crochet made. So not into chain 1, but first single crochet made, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop on your hook. And this first round is finished. We will start by working chain 1, and this chain 1 will not count as a stitch. Into the same single crochet as we slip stitched, we will work 1 single crochet. We will work chain 1 and we will skip next single crochet. Into the next single crochet, we will work 2 single crochet. So 1 and 2. Chain 1 and we will skip next single crochet. Into the next single crochet, again 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, chain 1 and skip next single crochet, and again into the next single crochet, 2 single crochet, chain 1, skip next single crochet, 2 single crochet into the next single crochet, chain 1, skip next single crochet, and into the last single crochet we will need to work 1 single crochet. And we will now be working into this chain 11, and into first 5 chains we will work 1 single crochet into each chain. So don't forget about this first chain, and into each of the next 5 chains work 1 single crochet. So I have 1, 2, I need to pull it, 3, 4, and 5. Into the next chain I will work 1 single crochet, I will work 1 half double crochet, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the same chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through all the loops on your hook. I will now need to work chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I will slip stitch into this last half double crochet made. And this is the space where I'm going to attach it to the hook. Into the same chain I will need to work 1 more single crochet. Into each of the next 5 chains 1 single crochet into each stitch. Let me just pull my yarn a bit. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, last one. And I will now need to slip stitch into first single crochet made, and this round is ready. This is going to be our final round, and we will start by working chain 1. This chain 1 will not count as a stitch. Into the same single crochet as we slip stitched, we will work 1 single crochet. And now we will start working into chain 1 spaces. Into first one we will work 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the same chain space, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 1 half double crochet, oh, I need to catch my yarn, and 1 more single crochet. And we will be working this pattern into each chain space, so into the next one. 1 single crochet, 1 half double, 1 double crochet, 1 half double, and 1 single crochet. And again into the next space, 1 single crochet, 1 half double, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 1 single crochet. And again into the next chain space, 1 single crochet, 1 half double, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 1 single crochet. And we will have only 1 more space left where we are going to work again the same pattern, so single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, again half double crochet, and single crochet. And we will have 1 more single crochet of this side where we have 11 single crochet into which we were working, and into the single crochet, so make sure that you are connecting your work to a correct single crochet, into the next single crochet, 1 single crochet. And now it's time to finish our work. We will turn our work to the back and we will slip stitch somewhere at the back. So I'm going to make a slip stitch at the back just to make sure that nothing is visible on the correct side. And I will slip stitch again somewhere else. I will work chain 1. I will cut my yarn and I will pull it through. And now I will need to use a smaller size hook to weave in the ends. And the reason why I'm using smaller size hook, because I was using 2mm hook, where the correct size hook for this yarn would be 3mm, but I want to make my project as tight as possible so it keeps its shape better. And last thing we will need to do is insert this earring on the hook. So whatever type hook you have, just make sure insert your hook into this. I think I will need my pliers anyway, just to make sure that I have some space to insert this earring. Oh, did not make. Okay, should go in. I don't know whether I will be able to put it. Oh, it is inside. And I have my earring in. I just need to make sure that I weave in the end and make the second earring in the same way.